Got the new drip from Brigii, their new high-speed handheld vacuum called the H5, so let's check it out. By the way, if you're interested already, I will of course list and link the best deals for you in the description. Check it out, and now let's go. So that's the box. It's a big box. Let me get rid of the wrap. So here we have the front. On top we have the brand name. We have this side. We have this side. And we also have this side right here. Let's go. High-speed handheld vacuum H5. Bottom is blank, by the way. So let's open it up. As we know it, no mess is big. It's my second Brigii vacuum. And this is the top view with this. We'll check it out in a second. We have this pad, we have the cable, we have the extension, and we have the vacuum itself. And then down here we have the base, and we have two more accessories. Righty right. Box is empty, table is full. So let me start with the accessories. So we have this brush add-on right here. This can slide forward and backwards when you press this button right here with the brand. Dope. Then we have this attachment right here. Check it out, it's bottom right here, and it has this comb. Pretty dope feature. This will of course snap in place. There it is. Nice. Next up we have this long attachment right here for the cracks and crevices right on the top and the bottom. Then right here we have the charging cable and, believe it or not, USB-C. This is so dope. I love it. USB-C. We need it everywhere. Love it. And right here we have the base for all the accessories and of course for the vacuum. That's the bottom of the base. So let me actually demonstrate. 1 and 2 and maybe like this. And the vacuum would fit in just like that. And now let's check out the manual. So you will get this envelope right here. This is of course designed by Brigii. And in here, oh, there is a lot. So we have the user guide. We have this feedback paper. And we also have this overview. We have these 2 pages right here, and we have these 2 pages. And of course an extensive user manual. So hey, check it out. I actually did it the right way. This is actually how it's supposed to be. Perfect. So yeah, it is intuitive. I love it. So we have page 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5. And the rest is, well, all the other languages. Very, very nice. So done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and to a close overview. As I said, this is my second Brigii vacuum right here, and the build quality, very, very nice injection molds. I have to say, with a matte surface. Well, on most pieces that is. Actually, yeah, it's actually on, this is also this matte surface, but on this one it's very nice. Is this smooth touch? I actually don't think so. This is a huge plastic part. I love it. It feels very nice. Big enough handle for the whole hand. And the form factor is just, it looks really nice. We already, of course, checked out the accessories. And when it gets to the vacuum, we have the chamber. It's slightly transparent, light transparent. And in here we have this rubber flap. Then right here we have the lock and the open lock. Of course, for unlocking the chamber. On the side we have the air vent and the brand. On the bottom we have all the specs. 140 watts of raw power. On the other side another air vent. And right here we have the handle. On the back we have the Brigii and the USB-C port. And on top we have the screen and the buttons. We have the plus and the power button right here. But before we get to that, so this is how you can unhook the chamber, and that's this side right here with the motor and the impeller and all of that stuff. And here we have this huge chamber. This is a really big chamber. Love it. Yeah, just pull it out. So if you saw the video of the first one, this is basically the same system but just way bigger. And we also have this cover this mesh cover, and it works slightly different. You need to pull out this, and here we have the HEPA filter. So that's that. Perfect. Check out this mesh from the inside, looking dope. Nice tolerances, it fits in perfectly. You also have this little handle right here. Okay, let's assemble this chamber again. Just pops in here, and there it is. Okay, and now let's try. So then you have two modes with this button, and press once to turn it off again. So press and hold. It will power on. You can see the percentage. And that's that. A really lovely vacuum. Looking forward to actually testing it. And yeah, the base, of course. You have the accessories right here, and you can put it right here. So that's the base, and on top you can of course plug in the charger. Isn't that a nice looking vacuum set right here? Well, base with, I love it. I just love it. Yeah, now let's take a look at the specs and the features. The vacuum is called H5. It will get charged with 5 volts of DC power. The battery size is 2500 milliamp hours, and the max power is 140 watts. We have the charging current and the size right here. Back into the awesome base, and on the box we have more specs. So we have 98,000 RPM. Inside here is a high-speed digital motor, and we have super powerful suction, 18 kPa. Let's go. For such a tiny device, this is actually a lot. We of course have the LED display, we have Eco and Turbo mode, 2 modes. USB-C, love to see that. And it is of course cordless. On this side we have the same overview basically, and right here the accessories and the vacuum itself. Nice drawings right here, and there we go. Yeah, and lastly, let's get to a good old demo and let's try it out. Oh no, I'm so clumsy. Oh no, how did that happen? Okay, well, good thing that I have this vacuum right here. First stage. Okay, second stage. Yep, it is powerful. This attachment is of course better for this. So that was a full cup of oatmeal, and chamber, well, it has plenty of spare capacity. Top. Pretty dope. It's like tradition, since the last vacuum review I haven't cleaned my car. As you can see, there are tons and tons of little crumbs in here. So let's do it. So with this brush attachment you can really kick up the dirt from these fabrics, you know, get it out. It's perfect. So check this out, done with the trunk. Perfect. This is not dust, by the way, but yeah, clean. And the best thing about this attachment is the length. It is super long. You can get in, well, everywhere basically. This is so versatile. And also down here, of course. Although for this, the other attachment is probably better. Yeah, definitely. Oh boy. Okay, this is actually really stupid. I should just take it all out. But it's a good demonstration. Yeah, now I can just clean off the rest in here. Ah, this fabric is so stubborn, but I think I started at around 80% and This used up around 20% of the battery, so you should be able to clean the whole car in a rather fast pace with one charge, so not too bad. I hate this fabric though. But I really like this attachment, this is so long. You can get in there all the way, that's perfect. Actually also right here probably. Oh yeah, oh yeah. But that is way better. Let's go. I think you get the point. This thing is dope. And lastly, let's open it. Just like that. And I also always blow into the HEPA filter. Just like that, and it is good as new. And we're back in business. So as you saw, the thing works perfectly, it is strong, the build quality is amazing, I love it. These matte surfaces and textures, everything is top-notch quality. I can't complain whatsoever, but it is still budget friendly, that is the best part of it. And what I also like is this huge chamber. It's like a hybrid of these small handheld ones and a large one. So it's like a medium tier vacuum, and for that it's definitely powerful enough. Oh, wow, I just noticed that there is another another layer of protection right here. Mirror surface right here. It's so nicely done. I love it. So yeah, check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I can highly recommend it. I will also of course list and link the best deals for you. And before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.